Hey guys, we have another great product review. It's a lens kit for cell phone.
A lens kit for cell phones. Very cool. Go ahead and open that up, dear Jen.
Oh, look at this. Look at them.
Comes in a cool little case. Go ahead and open that up. Let's see what we got inside.
Wow!
We have lenses.
We have lenses. We have this wide angle.
Wide angle lens. Cap came off. Okay, we have instructions.
We have different lenses.
Yeah, different focal lengths. And one of them unscrews where you can have a macro lens.
We have this one.
That's a telephoto lens.
Wow. And this is for the...
That's a clip for your cell phone. The lens screws into that and then goes over your phone, and you can tighten it down securely in place, and you have a wide selection of lenses for your cell phone, including a fisheye. And let's take a quick look at the instructions, and we'll be back for a demonstration. So you have your telephoto lens here, and you got your focusing grip right there. Comes with a lens cap on the front and back of the lens on each of these lenses. Now this wide angle lens also, this is a super fisheye lens, 180 degrees. Super fisheye lens, but also this lens unscrews where this would give you a macro lens for your camera, for your cell phone. Five-in-one lens, so that's 1, 2, 3, wide angle lens, 4. Now the fifth device comes in with this eyepiece. You screw this on. And this now gives you a telescope. And this actually works really good. I was really impressed with the image. So, tell you what, we will go ahead and demonstrate what images look like. Okay, so here's a normal image straight out of the camera without any lens adapter on. And now we've added the fisheye lens. Now this will give you a view of 180 degrees, but as you can see, there are limitations with the cell phone. You really can't see 180 degrees. Here's the wide angle lens. Now the trick is getting the lens lined up with the phone camera lens. And it's very hard to do. As you can see, I got a little crop there at the top, but that's the image that will give you. This is what the telephoto lens looks like. Now the problem is, when you're zoomed in this far, any slight movement will cause the image to blur. So you almost have to be like mounted on a tripod. It does work, but what you're actually doing is putting a telephoto lens over a wide angle lens, and the image just really isn't that great. Now here's a telephoto lens looking off in the distance, and it gives you a decent shot if you can get it focused. It's hard to focus. If you can get it focused right, it does work, but it's just not economical to put a lens over a phone lens. You're better off just having a camera. I mean, if you have no other option, this does work, but it doesn't work very good. Focus is very critical, and the image just isn't the greatest. So I would not recommend getting phone lenses for your cell phone. You're better off just getting a cheap camera that was made to take images without adapters. Thanks guys for watching.